Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today I'm going to answer a question that I got asked recently. Are vinyl windows actually strong to withstand somebody trying to break in? Okay, so I had a customer who had multiple quotes, and she had said, hey,
The last guy that was here said that vinyl windows are basically crap and that they can't hold out intruders and things like
I
that.
said, well, wait a minute, are they suggesting that the vinyl is the only thing where the locks are holding on to? Like the screws are only holding, they're in vinyl and that's it? And she was like,
I don't know. All I know is he said that they're super weak. Anybody can just break into these things.
and I was like, okay, well, that's his spiel, right? So he's trying to sell you something completely different and he can't compete with the vinyl price. And so he is trying to dog him out. What I'm holding right now is a patio door, handle area, locking mechanism. You look into the center, you will see that here's a hollow point that they made in this vinyl, and in that vinyl is steel. So there's a steel reinforcement that goes inside any locking surface and interlocking surface. When people say,
Well, hey, you can just easily just force that window open.
not true at any length. These hooks go up and down into a striker that has 3-inch screws that go into the wall of your house. It takes 1,100 pounds of force to get past this. When we install a patio door, we use 4 3-inch screws that go into a striker, essentially this right here. So this is the other part of the frame. So this striker here, when this comes together and you go to lock your window, this part of your frame is facing the wall, and 3-inch screws are going into the 2x4 of your house, and you're not getting this sucker open. Now let's talk about a window. So this literally is just an interlocking mechanism and a lock showcasing what a window, how it would come together, right? And then lock. Now, when you look down the center of this, you also will notice there is steel reinforcement in both the frame section and the sash section, okay? The sash section is the one that has the lock. This is the one that goes up and down. And then you have the striker, right? The keeper side. And this right here is what keeps it in. You can't just pull these and then the screws are gonna come out of the vinyl. That's madness. I mean, you couldn't sell a window in California if it doesn't pass, you know, the California Forest Entry Codes. And I think it's pretty true across the board for any other state that's selling windows, you know? I mean, safety is a big deal. I just wanted to debunk the lie. Vinyl windows being weak or they can't withstand somebody trying to break in, they can get right past them. It's just false. That goes for windows, that goes for doors. Hopefully this helps. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything that you can add, because maybe I missed a few things, put them in the comment section. All right, guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.